Hi everyone. Vision AI sounds like a very technical buzzword, but it can be very easy to understand it. So vision, which means what you see is using your two eyes, right? The AI means using computer, using the processing to understand what you see. So vision AI, in a very simple word, is to use the AI to get the insight of what you see. So if we put camera on different machine, a POS, point of sales, a kiosk, autonomous car, a lot of object is traveling and moving around the camera, right? And then that stuff can be recognized by the computer vision, and then what it come out is not only the video anymore, it will be a lot of data. So the vision AI is not a conventional IT. In the past 30 years, IT industry is writing a program and then using the program to generate data. But no, AI is using the computer algorithm and it automatically generates something he thinks he knows. But what is the challenge we are facing for vision AI? If you see an animal you know already, you can say, oh yeah, I know it, this is the cat, this is something I know. But what if the animal you never seen? Then your brain needs to know what that is, you need to learn. So that's the same thing for AI. If we don't see this before, then the vision AI cannot recognize, cannot tell you exactly what that is. So what we do is we talk about a lot of deep learning, transfer learning, adaptive learning. That way it will take some time to overcome this kind of challenges. Why we want to talk about vision AI on edge? If you imagine, for example, in a big shopping mall, consumer is traveling from one store to another store, but the camera is fixed over there. And then they know coming into this store, we have 50 people at 3 o'clock, and then 20 people is the female, and then 30 is the male. And then where they stand at the booth, how long they're gonna stand there. This kind of information in the past is really hard to get it, and then we have to count on people. But now, vision AI on edge can easily get it. And then the data can be recognized and honestly recorded and transmitted to the backend. So the whole thing, the vision AI at edge, is to get immediate or faster result. And then once you have tons of these devices connected together, then a big data concept is coming out. So we know every day in different timing, different location, what people are liking, what people are watching, what people is paying for. Even today, we got a coronavirus today, right? So it's okay. We want to know how many people walking in that zone, and then how many people is not wearing the mask, and then such that it can be infected. That kind of information is really hard to get by somebody is watching and counting, but this can be easily get it from a vision AI at different camera, different location, because that way you can save a lot of effort, a lot of human resources, and then get all the important data. People can only have two eyes, but once we get a machine have multiple eyes, you can see all around, and then using the same computing power to do a lot of things. But I believe with more and more computing power and better AI, I think this challenge can be overcome, and then we'll see edge AI can drive the digital transformation. That is the future of the edge AI. Thank you.